Today I'll be making leek soup and it's super healthy and super easy to make. Don't forget to stay until the end of this video and like and subscribe. I am using 3 leeks. I clean them well, chop them, and they go in the pot with the water, carrots, potatoes, and a little bit of salt. Optional is the vegetable bouillon and chicken bouillon. I use half of a cube of each. After 15 minutes approximately, test if your carrots and your potatoes are cooked thoroughly. This smells so good already. I'm transferring to the blender, adding 1 tablespoon of butter, and then I'm gonna use all the broth from the leeks and 1 cup of milk. I'm gonna add them both slowly as we go. When I make this soup, it just brings back wonderful childhood memories of my brothers and me coming back home from school and finding something like this, super warm and comforting in our plate, and spending time with my mama and asking us about how our day was. This is just like if it was yesterday. When somebody makes something with love, you can actually taste it. Hey, if this video inspires you to cook something for your family today, whatever it is, but you make it with love, then all my work was worth it. And this baby is ready to eat, so sprinkle it with your favorite cheese. Add the croutons and then just a drizzle of olive oil. Thank you very much for watching this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. I'll see you next time.